Today we review the Uni A Gel 0.5 something in Japanese. I don't know. Here's what it looks like. Super cool, super nice. Here's yep. Super cool, super nice. Okay, and 0.5, it's all in Japanese. I can't read it, so let's just get in it. I'm just open the freaking package. Okay, here it is. Glorious. Initial thoughts. Beautiful color. I got a pink one because I love the color pink, and and then like the grip is super nice. It's super squishy. It's nice, soft. Okay, it would be very comfortable to write with. Okay, there's an eraser in the back. Okay, take off the cap. Can you? Yep, you can do that. Yep, it's super cool. It probably could put a lead in there too. Overall, the actual pencil itself, did not include the writing. It's cool. It's nice. I like it. Good design, sleek. Here's the super cool. Our test subject today is Kumon paper. So we're gonna write something. Let's write I can't actually speak Spanish, but my initial thoughts, pretty smooth. Let's change the pen angle. Personally, it writes okay. It's like decent, it's what you would expect from a standard pencil, right? A mechanical pencil, as you get the idea. It's good. It's nice. It's very comfortable. I write like this, like this. So it might be weird. So I'll change up my writing grip. It's not gonna work. It's good to write with. How about to draw with? Let's do a standard circle. Nice. It's good to, it's good. It's what you would expect from a pencil. It's not outstanding. It's pretty comfortable to write with. It's nice. Let's do a control. So we're gonna do, we're gonna compare it with this regular Star Wars pencil from Bic. We all love Bic. Okay, let's write Hola como estás on the top here. I did not expect that to be really good. So here is the Hola como estás, right? Dark. Yep. Just to say, I did not change the lead of these. So yeah, and here is this one. Here's this one. It might just be me, but the top one looks better because I had like a really good angle on it and stuff, right? So then again, these two are different leads. I'll do it again. Here we go. Here is the pink one. Here's the Axie, whatever it's called, and here is the Bic. Okay, so official review. It's good, comfortable, nice, cool, decent lead. I wish the lead was different. You can just change it yourself. It's good. I like it. I love the design, writing ability. Overall, I would give it a solid 7 out of 10. That is all.